I'm dressing up. I'm headed out. It's been long since I wore this coat, so I'm gonna do this Zara coat. So they're so quick and so comfortable, so I'll just put on this and probably a black top. So let's dress up and leave the house. Pop it.
Last night I had a dream of us coming together. Last night in my dream I saw unity. I had a taste of democracy, and I felt safe. East to the west and south to the north, people were living in peace, seeing the eyes of justice everywhere. Every land was thriving with love and prosperity. And I woke up asking myself, oh, I woke up asking myself.
Oops, I ended up wearing a totally different outfit because that's part of being a girl. So anyway, hello guys, how you all doing? I hope you're fine. I'm fine. So it's a new vlog, which I have no predictions about. Let's just enjoy whatever comes our way. We're gonna do. So right now I'm headed to Westlands. I wanna do a bit of shopping. Not really shopping. I need to get a few things for my sister. She's going back to school on Monday. Also, I want to... Actually, let me write down the things I need because I'm already forgetting, and I'll end up coming home with a huge shopping of all the things I don't need, but the things I need. So let me write down everything I need. We'll go there and shop with you. Let me show you quickly my outfit that I ended up wearing. This green top that you can see, and these pants. Let me show you. I switched my decor, you can see. So I decided the roses will be staying at the TV console and those ones will be there. So I've really lost weight. Can you see this? Like, these pants are now so big. Like literally, see, we can add like a whole. And I'm not even, when I squeeze in my stomach, that's how it looks. When I'm just relaxed, that's how it looks. Like, wow, I'm losing weight. I'll actually share with you guys the diet that I've been doing to lose weight.
Blinking, you were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care the seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Rather do. Never been this close to heaven.
I want you to pee pee. Bambi, I want you to pee pee. Ah, Bambi, I want you to pee pee.
Look out, here she comes. Woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how.
Great news, guys. Jumia is having discounts on all these drinks that you can see and so much more on their app. So you just need to go and check out. I'll also leave the link in the description box. If you use this code, you will get 300 Kenyan shillings off any order you make that's above 1200 on all PRK drinks. So don't miss out. Stock up, stock up, stock up. When you shop on Jumia Food, you get your drinks immediately. If you shop on Jumia Mall, you'll probably get them the next day. So yeah, just a heads up.
It's funny how my heart is wired. It doesn't make any sense to me. But who am I to question my feelings? I'm leaving you for someone else, but it's not who you might think it is. It's someone who
Welcome back to the vlog, guys. I've just spent the better part of the day watching vlogs and all that, but early in the morning I did an organization. I think I did shoot for you guys, you've seen. So right now I want to make Bambi's bedroom. If you haven't seen it, I think the video is either already up or it's coming after this. Yes, my dog will have his own bedroom because he's my son, he's my boy. We'll be living together, so he needs his own space. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to clear up the room because the furniture that I was having made, I think they're now ready and they'll be coming in today. I'm going to the fundi so that I can see how they look before bringing them in. So yeah, let's do that with you guys. I won't shoot that because that will be a video on its own. So if that video is not already up, it's coming. If it's already up, go and check and watch. Let's go. So this will be Bambi's room. Here we go. So currently it's just I've already put on the ring light because I want you guys to see what I'll be doing. So it's a storage room, honestly, for my boxes, suitcases, extra pillows, shoes here. By the way, I need to get rid of this thing. I've been saying that for the past 3 years. I have so many shoes. These are just part of them. I have more in this closet. So we need to remove everything that's here so that Bambi's stuff can come. So let's get down to that. I feel like right now I can get rid of this fridge box. I'll just leave the TV box because of moving. And these suitcases, I think I'll put them inside the closets. I'll have to get space for them. So yeah, let's get down to that. That doesn't look so good right now. We need to change this, Bambi, for you, baby. Bambi, this will be a bedroom.
looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me
Ding, ding, ding.
falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes
Bambi.
down. It's what you do.
Cooler. Here. Bambi. It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. My bed, taking a moment to rest. Feeling stressed out. Give it up good. I put that hurt when it gets hard. I stick like no days off, so you can go home. With that, jump on, jealousy, my bad. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey.
This is so good. This is so good. You should definitely try this. This is so good, guys. It just feels like you're taking juice, but now, yummy. You can drink a lot of this. Do you want to try this, Bambi? Yummy. I got Bambi this collar yesterday. I've been using this leash without a collar. And I saw people commenting, by the way, yes, I do know I didn't have a collar. The first time I bought, I didn't know how to use it. So after I got home, I realized it's not supposed to be used that way. So now we have this for Bambi. So let's put it on him, then we head out. We are now headed out with Bambi. So we are going with Bambi to drop Mercy as we pick his bed and closet. My sister loves cats, so she has cats. And I brought Bambi here. I hope they won't fight. There is my niece. She really requested me to come with Bambi. She said I shouldn't come here without Bambi, so here is Bambi. You missed Bambi?
Yes.
This is cat Pecom, and I want to see if Bambi can eat this. Okay, bring it. Bambi. But like, what is that? I don't take that. He doesn't want. Stop forcing him. Give me one. So the cat is here and Bambi is here. Let's see. Oh yeah, they have the same shades. They look alike. I see your cat. Don't traumatize my dog. Excuse me. My sister is telling me I'm traumatizing her cat, and I'm like, your cat is traumatizing my baby, my dog. Take Bambi. I almost lost my son. Actually, my sister is saying she wishes the camera was on because whatever has just happened right now is drama. So Bambi is so curious. So, wait, are you bleeding? Kai, amemgwara. Oh my God, my son is bleeding. It was so bad, guys. The cat literally jumped on. Bambi was just being polite. Actually, Bambi wanted to just smell and like lick the cat. But then the cat is called Stella. Stella just started scratching Bambi. It was so bad, literally so bad. Bambi, it's okay, baby. Come, my baby, Kai. You see, when Bambi doesn't want me and I'm his mom to touch him, he's like, you brought me here. It's okay, Bambi. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay, Bambi. Good boy. Good boy. Bambi, I'm a jam. Let me see. Let me see where he hurt you. She. Is it a she? Aki amemuumiza. Guys, you're picking Bambi's bed. Bambi? Here's Bambi's bed.
Last night, I had a dream of us coming together. Last night, in my dream, I saw unity. I had a taste of democracy, and I felt safe. East to the west and south to the north, people were living in peace, seeing the eyes of justice everywhere. Every land was thriving with love and prosperity. And I woke up asking myself, oh, I woke up asking myself, why can't we achieve a sustainable peace? Why can't we have a sustainable future? Why can't we achieve a sustainable peace? Why can't we have a sustainable future? Why can't we? Last night, I dreamt of an end to poverty. All nations were growing, all nations stood strong.
So these are just noodles. I like experimenting with my noodles, honestly. Instead of just having boring boiled noodles, I like making them just a little bit different. You should try this, by the way, guys. You'll love it.
People were building a beautiful and stable home. Last night, in my dream, I saw humanity, and I woke up asking myself, oh, I woke up.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go away another day. Make it home tonight, may I hold you?
Bambi.
So we can never be the same. How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day.
That was so good. Those dogs barking will scare Bambi. So I'm done with my dinner, guys. That was honestly so good. You guys should try that recipe at home. Bambi, come baby. Bambi is so scared because of the dogs barking. Watch a bit of vlogs. Yeah, as I wait for my food to sit. Bambi. Bambi. What's up, baby? What's up? He's literally up. He's confused what's happening. As my food sits, let me mask. I had put this mask in the fridge. I think I showed you guys when I got it out. As I just let my food digest, let me mask. Okay, my hands are full of Bambi's fur. So I'll just watch a few vlogs as I chill. I have a lot of work to edit though, but I had a very long call with a friend before making dinner, by the way. It was, have you ever just had a phone call and it just leaves you feeling rejuvenated, it leaves you feeling relaxed? I needed that. That's the kind of feeling that call gave me. Feel like Maureen is just okay, maybe some of you know her actually. Actually, not maybe, most of you know her. She's called Maureen Waititu. So we were having a phone call and just talking to her made me feel so relaxed, so good, so at ease. Yani, that was so good. Oh, this is so cold. It was in the fridge. So let me just mask as I watch some videos on YouTube. My sister left, so I'm feeling lonely, kinda. But I'll get used to it. So yeah, good night, guys. Oh, okay, let me just... Bambi. Are you serious? Bambi, are you serious? Thank you so much, guys, for watching this vlog up to the end. I'll just leave you guys here. Catch you guys. What's happening with these dogs? Allah. Catch you guys on the next one. Hope you enjoyed watching every single bit of this vlog. Yes, I'm in the dark because it's my TV time, so I love being in the dark. So bye bye, guys. See you guys on the next one. I love you all so much. Let me know which kind of videos you want to see and I'll bring them right to you. It's like these dogs are competing with me. Bye. What is this here?